As you can see, this girl is very beautiful, isn't it? But you don't know, she is fake. There are many accounts on Instagram and TikTok sites that belong to famous characters who are never in existence, like this one called Alexis Ivy Edge, and she has over 400,000 followers, yet she is only made by artificial intelligence. So today, I will explain to you how to make a personality like her from the start to the end, that is from creating an account to publishing photos and videos. You just have to watch the video till the end, of which you will understand all the steps. But before the beginning of the explanation, I want to announce that as I was reading at a number of comments, I found that there are very many people who need helps. So I decided to start helping each and everyone with the professional guidance in the field of content industry. So consider subscribing to the channel and leave your questions in the comment section. And please feel free to leave any comment, because I'm more than ready to help you guys. Now let's move to the explanation first, before the beginning of the explanation. I want to tell you not use this method with an intention of harming yourself or anyone else's. So this is a warning to people with malicious intention. This is just an educational video. And thank you. Let's begin. First, you must open a new account on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. And I gave my influencer a name called Emmeline Minon. So we will need a profile picture, photos, and videos to publish on her, in addition to the bio, so that she can appear as an account for our influencer. First, to create the profile picture, we must create the face of our own characters. We will go to Artflow, we'll open this interface, and we will go to the studio image, and then click on create image here. This interface will appear with you here. You will use my prompt or describe your personality yourself. That is, how do you want the color of hair? Do you want there without black or brunette skin, the color of hair? Yes. And soon I will copy and paste my prompt. There, then make sure that hair the option should appear realistic with you, and then click on generate. Then you will wait until the 4 pictures appear after we have to download them here. Now that we've made the facey, I will ask May how we will make other pictures with the same face. Please don't worry, just follow the explanation first. We will use 2 simple methods. The first is that we will go either to Google and look for a picture of a beautiful young woman, and we download it, or we will go to the Pinterest site, and we will search for pictures of an attractive young woman, and then download the ones you liked. And after downloading the photos, we'll go to this site called Remarker A here in the first box. I will put the pictures that we downloaded before. For example, I will put these here, and then here we will put the face picture in this way. Then we press the swap in a few seconds. The picture will appear with us like this, and we do this process with another photo. Now we will raise the quality of the image to 4K to be 100, similar to the truth. Now we'll go to image enhancement, then select the image you want to upscale, and as you can see, this tool increased the quality of our image. Select 4x, then upscale. After download upscaled image, we'll use it as a profile picture. In this way it looks sore. Now we will move on to the second step, and this step we will use these pictures to post as a new post. So follow up with me. Now we will return to the Artflow website, and then we will ask him to make a picture of a beautiful girl on the beach, and in a few seconds the 4 pictures will appear, and we have to download them. Then we will return again to the Remaker AI, and we will change the face of each image separately, as we did before. And this way we will wait for a few seconds and the pictures will appear with us. You will ask me what is the difference between the first and the second way. The difference is that this image that is made by AI, there is no search on the internet, so it has no copyright claims. After that, then you will change the size of the images to fit Instagram. In this way, we choose each image, then we click on edit icon. Then we select this size and we click save, and the same process we apply it to all the pictures. So now we will go to enhancement photos as we did before. Then we will increase the quality of photos in this way one by one, and it is better to choose the quality of 4K, because as you know, Instagram will often reduce the quality of the photos when they are published. After we're done, now we'll go and post it on our account in this way. It's better that you put a description of the photos. I'll just say lovely day. As for the bio, we will go to a famous account and we will copy its bio and ask ChatGPT to rewrite it in another wording. Then we copy it and add it in our profile. Now it's the stage of making videos. This paragraph, I'll introduce you to several sites you can use. You're free to choose one of them, or you can use them all. The first site is called MicroCreate. This site, you can only use it once every day, which means that you can only make a video every 24 hours. Before that, you must search for videos of girls dancing, either on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube Shorts. Then you download it and then put it there. Then here we will put the face picture of our character, then we click on the swap face now, and in a few minutes your video will be done, then you can download it from here. Please note that if you have used it before, this message appears that I can't use it today until tomorrow. This is only about the free feature, and in case you want to use it more than once, you must use VPN applications to enable you to use this swap face tool for multiple times in one day, and you can search for an explanation of how they work. Watch before and after. So this site is called Google Collab. This site provides you with this feature for free, without a limited number of times you use it, but it takes time and does not work on all devices. This is the face. First, you will press here, then you will wait until it is finished, and it also depends on your internet speed, and then appear next to it, marked with green. Then you press the run button. For the second part, it will not take time, as the first. Then you will upload the image and video that you want to change the face like this. After that, you will delete this sentences so that you don't have any problem in the quality of the video. Then you will copy the path of the video and replace the sentence with it. As you can see, the same thing for the image. Copy the path of the image and you return here and change this sentence of the image in this way. Now, you will press run and in a few seconds, it will be finished and a new file called swapped will appear here, then download it. Now I will present to you the latest site called and boring, which at the first time you use 5 token, that is you can make 5 videos. The important thing is that here you upload the video you want to swap face, then upload content. After here you can add the face picture that you want to add, then you press the swap face. In a few seconds the video appears with you, and we have reached the end of the video. But please use these sites only to create photos and videos of your AI personality and publish them only on your account and not to use them in other harmful things. Thanks, and if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment for your question. As I told you before, let's meet in another video. Bye-bye, good-looking viewers. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like the video, do not like it, please support my channel.